Episode 12, a Scrum Recap and How to Apply It. Welcome back. In this final episode of our Scrum series, we will recap the key points we have covered and discuss how you can start applying Scrum to your own projects. Let's quickly review what we have learned about Scrum. Scrum is a lightweight framework that helps teams solve complex problems and deliver value. It's built on three pillars: transparency, inspection, and adaptation. The Scrum team consists of three roles: the product owner, the Scrum Master, and the developers. Scrum operates through a series of events: the sprint planning, daily Scrum, sprint review, and sprint retrospective. Scrum also includes three main artifacts: the product backlog, sprint backlog, and the increment, each with its own commitment, like the product goal and definition of done. Scrum is simple but powerful. It encourages teams to work together, stay focused on delivering value, and continuously improve. It's not just a process, it's a mindset that can transform how you work. If you're just starting with Scrum, here's my advice. Begin with the basics. Try Scrum as it's defined in the Scrum Guide and see how it works for your team. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's part of the learning process. As you gain experience, you can adapt Scrum to better fit your team's needs. Remember, the goal of a Scrum is to help you and your team deliver high-quality products efficiently and effectively. It's about working smarter, not harder. Thank you for joining me on this Scrum journey. If you found this series helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in the future videos, let me know in the comments. Good luck with your Scrum journey, and I hope to see you in future series. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new content. Thanks for watching.